Dear friends, welcome to the Mastermind. Mastermind is a code-breaking game. Let's play it together. We will go through the program we are playing the game. First of all, some simple introduction of the game will be propped up. The info is all shown dynamically. The possible can be changed and the example possible short form. Those with the red box all be changed automatically. The source code will be shown in the next slide. As shown in this slide, dot format is being widely used to achieve the target of dynamic output. After that, the program will automatically generate 4 colors from a list of possible color with random choice. The possible color list will be also be changed into short form to ease out the comparison process. After that, the program will ask for the user to input each choice of color in short form. If the user enter a wrong name, the program will ask again until the user input the correct name, which should be exist in the possible color list. The wrong input will also be shown. For example, as shown in this slide, when user enter RRAZ and A and Z is not inside the possible color list, then the program will pop out the error and ask the user to enter again. After the user enter all 4 colors in correct format, the program will let the user know how many correct color in the correct place and how many correct color but in the wrong place. This checking and calculation is done by two functions. The two function is choose color and guess color. Choose color is a small function which will be called by guess color. The get user input and checking is done in a function called choseColor. ChooseColor has one input, the possible color list. The input of the user is get by input, and there is a while loop to keep checking the status of the user input. There is a flag to indicate the format of the user input. If the input flag is -1, means the user type exit. If the user input is all correct, then the input flag is 1. If the user input has a wrong format or color is not in the possible color list, then the input flag is 2. Beside the input of the user is a strip, and change to lowercase is just to prevent the user made some small mistake. After that, if the flag is 2, program will ask for the input again. Else, the while loop is break, and the user choice color and the flag will be returned. The guess color is a function which will call the choose color function and check the number of correct color in correct place or wrong place. Before checking the answer, if the flag returned from the choose color function is equal to 1, it will direct return since the user wish to exit the game, and there is no need to check the answer. The logic of checking is shown in this slide. The program will check the correct color and in correct place first by for a loop through the true answer. The color is matched with the user input. The specific position color will be put out from both user choice and true answer tab. Now let's talk about the algorithm logic behind it. For example, the true answer is green, blue, red, red, and the user input is green, red, red, green. The program will look through the true answer. Thus, it will check for green first. The user input is sent to the true answer, so the program will pop up them from the list. The variable will now become like this. Both green have been popped up. After that, the program will compare the second color of the true answer, blue, with the user second input, red. The red is now at index 0 because the first color had been popped up. The color is not same, then the true color tab and user input at index 0 will both be remain. The program will continue to check for color at third and fourth position. Eventually, only 2 colors will remain in the true answer tab and user input list. In this case, there are 2 correct colors in 2 incorrect place. The program will continue to check for the correct color in wrong place. It will look through the user choice. Now the user choice only remain 2 colors. The first color is red, and conditional checking whenever the color is in the true answer tab is carried out. If the color is in the true color answer tab list, the color will be pop up. The position of the color is known by using index. So there are 1 correct color in the wrong place. This is the logic for the program to check number of correct color in correct or wrong place. Lastly, the function will return the number of correct color in correct place. If the number of correct color in correct place is equal to 4, means the user is completed the game. The number of rounds that the user to take complete the game will be brought out as well. There is a while loop to keep looping until the user completed the game, or when the return value from guess color is -1, which means the user type exit and wish to close the game. This test show that what happened when the user type exit. Now let's continue play the game. This is my way of playing the game. First, we just go through all the color by letting all 4 color be the same color. Then we will know what is correct color. Here we know there are 2 blue color and no red color. Now we know there is a yellow color and no green color. So the correct color list is blue, blue, yellow, and pink. But we still don't know the sequence of them. Here we need some try and error and logical thinking. By giving this try, we know that the third and fourth place is definitely blue color. Now let's try the yellow, pink, blue, blue sequence. We made it. We took 6 rounds to get the true answer. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.